Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Monday, December 14th, 2015. Well, folks, I said that the rally in the bottom would potentially be put in as early as today in the market, and that looks to be what is going on here. Take a look at the IWM, which is the Russell. This is what I was watching. I talked about it to my members here last night in the No Hype Live broadcast. We do a Sunday night broadcast to kind of prep for the week every week inside the research center. And I basically said to them, look for this gap to be filled right here. You fill this gap, I believe the markets will put in a bottom. It'll coincide with a rally on oil or a bounce on oil. All right, and that's exactly what I said. I want to show you the USO here. Look at the USO up 17 cents today, up 1.5%. USO pre-market this morning was down 30 cents. So that's a huge reversal on that. All right, so again, going back to the IWM, guys, I said this, I called it. In fact, we unloaded our shorts over the last couple trading days, including this morning, and now I've gone in. This morning I bought a bunch of call options. I bought TNA, which is a 3 times IWM. Check this out. I want to show you this. This is how accurate, if you're in the research center, this is how accurate we are. All right, I bought the TNA today at $59.30. I put out the alert timestamp to our members. Look at the low, 59.29. A penny from the low. Look at it where it's trading just a little while later, above 61. We're almost up $2 on this position already. And by the way, I believe this could be the start of an end-of-year rally. Meaning that, if you think about it, we have the Fed on Wednesday. That's going to be the wild card. After that, it's basically holiday. You got Christmas. You got New Year's. My guess is TNA has potential to go all the way up to about $70 into that. If you look at the spiders, a lot of lines on my spiders chart, but I think the spiders have potential to go up to about the 207 level. Be a nice rally. Look at the spiders green on the day. How awesome is that? Talk about nailing the low here. Look at this rally on the spiders going green as oil goes green. That's how we do it at InTheMoneyStocks.com, folks. Literally, options we picked up today already up 15, 20%. All right, spiders, you name it, right there rallying. I bought the, again, TNA, which is 3 times the IWM long. That's already $2 in the money. In the money stocks right here. Look at our track record. Insane. Absolutely insane, folks. And this market wants to go higher. I think we close flat to positive today, and I think, again, you have another choppy kind of pause day tomorrow. Fed day, if all works out, should be an up day. The Fed should be, I think the Fed's going to raise interest rates, but I think they're going to be very, very neutral and cautious after that. The commentary should be a very dovish commentary. That should help the markets, maybe a little chop, but then once we're through kind of Wednesday, I think this market floats up into year-end. Not a ton. Again, I'm not calling for a ton of upside, but enough to make us some good money on some of these plays, the options plays, the call plays we've bought, as well as the TNA and some of these other long plays we picked up. All right, guys, awesome stuff here. Great stuff. Come join InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial to the research center. We're knocking it out of the park. We shorted this market a couple weeks ago. We covered our shorts, went long over the last day or so, including today. There you have it. Case in point. Market's rallying up. It's how we do it here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Come join us.